Hey everybody, this is John here from the Crypto Bay giving you a market review video for today, 23rd of May 2018. Yesterday when I delivered the video, we were at a key critical point in the market and it broke down and we've been going down since. Market cap over the last few hours has lost about 15 billion. We're currently at 332 billion. 24-hour volume is quite high, near 20 billion, and Bitcoin dominance is at 39.4%. Nearly all coins are in the red, most are in double digits, so it's some huge losses overall for the market. One of the only coins which is in the green is Skycoin and Bitcoin Private. Interestingly enough, last week Bitcoin Gold had a 51% attack and they used the same mining algorithm as Bitcoin Private. So potentially Bitcoin Private could be setting up for a drop. So let's go into some of the technicals here for Bitcoin and have a look at what's happening. When I gave the market review video yesterday, we were at this point here at about 8,200. We were just hovering under it, and I was mentioning that if it does close under this point, we'll most likely see a drop down to the 7,900 level. And I couldn't really tell what was going to happen from there, but it would have either came back up to test the former resistance as support, but obviously this wasn't the case. We hovered around this point for much of this morning, and then volume kicked off and it drove the price down a few hundred in just the last few hours. Obviously these are big losses we're seeing, 200, 300 out of Bitcoin just over the space of a few hours, and the altcoins suffering even more, nearly all in double digit reds. In terms of the news, some positive news out there. Goldman Sachs backed Circle Invest is in the news again. They've released a new function for their app which is going to let people buy into the cryptocurrency market across the board with the coins they list. At the moment they have 7 coins including Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, Zcash and Monero. So with this function, people who are using the app will be able to click a button and they will get this weighted basket of cryptocurrencies as weighted by their market cap. So obviously this is good news, it gives people more options. And also the CEO of Circle Invest mentioned that he's confident that the 7 assets listed on Circle Invest will not be deemed a security by the SEC going forward. I also mentioned yesterday that we had Tron in the news. Tron is coming up to its mainnet launch on 31st, and the founder of Tron, Justin Sun, is huge on marketing. So we'll see Tron in the news a lot going forward, I would expect, and it's no different today. Justin Sun was basically getting in the news saying about his airdrop coming up to mainnet launch. He's given away 2 Tron for the mainnet launch, which equates to about 16 cents at the moment. So it's not a huge giving away, but obviously Justin Sun is quite savvy with his marketing. He's constantly in the headlines, so he's using this to get in the news once again. And obviously coming up to this mainnet launch, he's going to be doing everything in his power to get in the news headlines as much as possible. So that's it for today, guys. It's a quick one again. Let us know what you think in the comments. Do you think the market has further to drop here? I'm not really sure what the next point of support is or where the market's headed. So please have some discussion and like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks very much.